Hey everyone, how is going on? So today I'm just focused on this international study on the book is a hands-on machine learning with Scikit-Learn and Keras. This book is one of the important book everyone know. When you are starting learning the machine learning, everyone says you just go and learn this book, and this book is mind blowing. But I know when you start in learning this book is so much theory and we are bored. It's not interesting story about this book, so that's the reason we are feel bored. So now I'm just feel this, oh, don't be bored, make something this really interesting. So that's the reason I built this website about the chapter 1 book. I will be cover this whole chapter I'm try to cover. So first of all, I'm just go to chapter 1, start the journey, and I using this framework predict, break it, when is break it, and compress it, and real stake and human judge. This is one important, this human judge, when human need. If AI do everything, that's when human need. This is one of the focus part that I'm gonna be focused. So this is chapter about this deep 30 part in this chapter, and 5 law this we are learning using, and this is the okay, this is exercise and interview question and the flashcard and the term and closure, and this is this everything. Okay, this is your chapter, is a 30 chapter. I hope you have to know this, what is the machine learning, why machine learning is traditional program versus ML versus data and XML, feature level and algorithm, training and supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised and reinforced and based and online learning and instruction based and model based, and the ML workflow and generative and the overfitting and underfitting and the bad data and the okay. So yeah, let's learning objectives. Take it this formal tasks exercise. Okay, if you complete this, who this for? If you're 0 for this, how this 3 framework, beginner, technical, and okay. Answer the. So this is your tick mark. If you complete this, that's your grade about your note. Okay, that's 5 law we are talk. That's this we are also at story. With a story you have to memorize everything, not to memorize, you have to understand everything so better way. So here the prediction is the first you predict blue box, you ask something and you think something this AI that, so you make the mistake and love to make mistake, you learn something far away. So study crest and not just print. This is a rate section. If you can't strike it, you don't know on it. Okay, the green box asks you explain the idea and the result, you explain this. Okay, emotion, this is one important, feel like a cost being the wrong. So emotion and the extremely production level, how it work, and human is a judge. Purple section, AI can extremely extend, but the human must be own technical judgment. Okay, that's great. So last, what is the machine learning? Before the math and coding, you learn one of the story about the engineer beyond drawing and handwriting rule. So we will be able to define the machine learning 3 different way, which 2 more most interview candidate manage. Okay, let's focus the story, and this is the one of the important story is also help you to small email startup. Okay, this story I want to you read and try to understand. To one Friday. Okay, I hope know your story, understand this email feature label and training data. This story you cannot write the rule, but you can thousand of example and just stop the writing. So now you know everything. So last you try to predict. So you know a story. So what do you think? I think this work by programming. I know, smart, right answer is this algorithm. Okay, statistic algorithm, it's probability. Okay, so this is the example. That's if you made a mistake. So there is the so this is everything, and I told you everything that is covered. Okay, that's some problem was okay, whatever, let's focus. Why this matter in the real LLM? Not academic doco is a design tool. Can ML help us? Yeah, that is the problem. So you are figured out this green part and this connection, the emission. The rotate mill, this is the spam, and this the learning loop, this is the learn and see this pattern and learning the learning. If the spammer have to change something, that's still learning. It's not a rule based, it's not if else based. Okay, so lab yourself, it's kind of like that way. So spam, miss the spam. Free iPhone, it's like the spam. Yes, if you go to spam, not a spam section, that's mean you're not a spam mail. So yeah, free. So yeah, that's your figure out. Oh, that is great. So yeah, free and urgency, so you know the difference. So there is the free, this is one of the free section, there is spam section. What you already made this every day? Yeah, that's it. Failure mode over the feature. Okay, this is the one of the important section, this failure mode. The vocabulary, this story, training data, so feature, labeling, model, prediction. So explain this, connect, explain this, what you learn and this section. This like this, you can tell this, oh, I learned this how machine learning help the spam filtering section. Is the traditional programming is gonna be hard and is gonna be made a lot of mistake, but the machine learning, they have a lot of this section and help the people more and more, and is not a writer, help the writer, and this is learning in the loop. So it's like if you try to help this 20-year-old man, anyone, so this is gonna be really helpful. So human emotion, yeah, this is gonna be help you a lot of time. This is human emotion as a AI. Whether tax inspiration, preference, shape, and human independence is a human tax. What is the machine learning? In the Maya learning, spam filtering, whether is the spam look like primary from statistical algorithm is a million of level image. Okay, and improve is a more data, is not coding part. Okay, this I just covered the topic 1. This is a lot of topic. I can't complete everything in the one video, but I will be try in the future. So today I'm just go everything and deep dive you, help you everything. This is the machine learning, data come, and I just show everything and I also share everything is this GitHub file, so anyone come and see this. And the traditional rule is like if else, if was happened, this screw is not in this way. But and the additional model is like calling the model will be prediction is by statistical and statistic or probability. Yeah, so here the interview question. Yeah, that's it. Data explain. Okay, this is something is data call as a row and column. Traditional table row column. Okay, this is the question, but oh, that's the visualization also have this so it's like this one be up and down, interrupts, and this is this part, okay, and this one is up and down, so this and this is the column part. Okay, I hope you understand this how it's work. So this is as a row up and down, and this is this up and down. Okay, fine. This is how model training. So this is model scope, and that's where work. That's great. I really love this everything. So I really want to cover everything if I possible, but sometime it's not possible. That's the reason I just go sure and show everything that's as fast as possible. But I really love to that if I have it possible, so I just cover everything that I built. That's really amazing. If I was learning someone's build for me, that I really love this person. Okay, that's it. So is a base learning and so this is the instant base architecture boot. So and this base learning. Okay, that's it. So yeah. So we go and story, and this is the workflow. And this is the data set and lab. So yeah, this is lab section. So overfitting and underfitting, best fitting. This is the best fitting. Is overfitting is underfitting. Okay, that's it. And yeah, and normal data, bad data, and this data set is everything. Okay, I'm just show you everything and share with you everything. This is one of the important part. Here come, and the story link with the graces. So this is the story, beginner as a programming task, better tool. Yeah, so technical genius story and the algorithm is a P prediction and machine learning. Yeah, in our story, in real world, and related term, common, an interview, failure mode. Yeah, that's it. And hyperparameter, failure, an exercise. There is a exercise, one of the great. So you made a best machine learning. Yeah, this one. Supervised measure require which is labeling data. In training table label. Oh, I'm sorry for Meg. I'm sorry for that. Feature. I'm sorry. Why I tell this level? I made a hallucination. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, let's focus. This is the writing part. You have a lot of question. Yeah, this is all. This part 1, if you clear this, is you have a great knowledge of the machine learning, and you are the great for the researcher. I feel this is a lot of knowledge. Your final mental model. Yeah, that's it. So as a chapter summary, 1 page for your cheat sheet. Yeah, this is everything I cover as a cheat sheet, and must be, yeah, subscribe and follow this channel, and bye.